image suppression and resources. Wow, this page looks familiar. You hit images and it's going to open this up. What I would recommend for image suppression is not using the same image, because Google only really wants to show one version of that image. So what I would do is I would try to take professional headshots. Take professional pictures. We have clients send us pictures of their family members, other subjects. Google does have facial recognition, setting, environment, AI, artificial intelligence. So if you create real images or take real images that are higher quality is going to rank better. Generally, I wouldn't say smaller images to the point where they sacrifice the quality, but generally uploadable images will work well. You don't want 25 gigabyte photo and upload it. You want generally something that's 1 to 2 megabytes, 900 kilobytes. This is not so important, but then you're going to take all those pictures. We would save them in Google Drive. So that section where we had done our reputation audit, we would have another folder and it would say images. And I would take 10 very high quality photos. Now what you can do is get a family member with a DSLR to take candid photos in a few different settings. Now, better yet if it's about your job, but they don't have to look cheesy. You can just, take more candid, natural, relaxed photos, photos at work, photos in your office setting, photos if you've written a book with your books in the background, and do a few different ones, one standing, one sitting. Try to get them horizontal. Portrait mode pictures do work well, but they work well in conjunction with horizontal photos, because mainly when we're taking landscape photos, they work best in articles. They work best for all the future course content pieces that we're going to create, and they work better for your website. If you go to my website, you'll see that this is a landscape photo and that it does work quite well. Again, this is the portrait. I've removed the background. So portrait, no, it's actually a landscape, see? But I do have portrait photos. That's the point. They do help. Great for socials, Instagram, TikTok, but landscape primary is going to be best. So just letting you know, I've had clients that have taken photos that are just all portrait, and we've struggled to put them into articles. We've had to rework them in Photoshop. So try to take them that way. On average, take about 5 to 7 images. Every time you double up, the better, okay? But Google eventually is going to work through those 5, 6, 7 images and stop showing them, right? It's going to show other images. Then you can do another round. So I'd start with 5 or 7, then modernize them, make them look better, and continue to build from this foundation of a positive online presence. Hope this helped.